What's up guys, Mr. Madness here. Today's video, we got a pumpkin, we got a pressure washer. 0 tip, we're gonna see how good I carve them out with this. Previously on my page, I carved out a pumpkin using a 9mm, the CZ PCR. Let's see how this goes. See how bad I butcher this one this time, guys. What do you guys think? I think it's gonna work pretty good. Here we go. There's one eye. Well, there's 2 eyes. Remember in school? Follow the line. Oh, I'm not doing too good. I think I'm gonna butcher the shit out of this mouth, guys. Oh, we got foam coming out. And that's how you carve a pumpkin, guys, using a pressure washer. Hey, you guys do me a favor? Check out my page, smash that subscribe and like button. You guys have yourself a wonderful day.